today about the Floresta of Oceania. The flora of the continent has a high index of variety, from xeroptic plants and some tropical species. Because of extension, the largest variety is because of extension, situated in Australian territory. Eucalyptus is considered a prominent species in the region. Humid subtropical savanna, arid and semi-arid forests can be found, and other things we will see with your Roberta reporter.
Good morning, Bruna. We're in southeastern Tasmania, talking a lot about the flora and fauna of Oceania. And an interesting thing that in interior part of continent there is greater vegetative presence of steep tip, higher incidence of herbs and plants its strong. New Zealand in amongst the continents of Oceania most affected by the action of colonizers.
Now let's talk to Maria Eduarda.
We are here with Marina to talk a little about fauna and flora.
Where much of the development of the purpose takes place.
Excuse me, what do you think of the fauna and flora?
Well,
I think people have harmed the environment.
I totally agree with Julia. People should help the environment because they do not even care how much they harm it.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.